Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Volvo V40 battery. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, followed by the positive terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Once both terminals are disconnected, locate and loosen the battery hold-down clamp or strap. This secures the battery in place. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion and clean it thoroughly if needed, ensuring a clean base for the new battery. Now, carefully place your new 12-volt battery into the cleaned battery tray. Ensure it sits snugly and is properly aligned. Begin by connecting the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it's also tight. This connection order is crucial for preventing sparks and ensuring proper electrical flow. Finally, resecure the battery with its hold-down clamp. With the new battery installed, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and ensures a longer lifespan for your battery. Now, start your Volvo V40 to confirm everything is working correctly. Check your radio presets and other electronic settings, as they might have reset. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.